The first one is trace power cable circuit. The three phase has to be connected to 1, 2 and 3. The PE is for the ground of the input cable. If the input cable provides a neutral ground, then this can be connected to neutral, but it is not needed. For input protection, there are varistors between the three phases and the PE. Next is the trace lamp and alarm circuit. For alarm test circuit, the signals are connected without reaction. The diodes are connected in pairs and can be wired freely to the anode. Meanwhile, the alarm circuit, which are the sensor and trigger, these two works together to create the desired detection. The sensor detects unwanted gas while the trigger raises the alarm in response to what the sensor finds. The sensor is usually more advanced because it is handle movement detection. The third one is trace interlock system. For the interlock, the pre-mounted cable can be used in a screen cable connected to the plug with open end. You can use the delivered hunting plug with 6 pins to connect your interlock. In the example, the interlock is used to monitor the door to the HV part of the system and to monitor if the ground rod is taken out from high voltage. It can also be a door in a safety fence mounted around the HV part. Next is the trace emergency button. Pressing the emergency button opens the two output contactors and the input contactor of the kit cabinet, so there is no voltage at the power output from the kit cabinet. The next one is trace grounding system. Grounding system circuit must be considered from the main grounding chamber outside of the high voltage lab and is grid at each grounding terminal cell, and from the grounding terminal cell to the frequency converter. These switches can be used as a ground switch or something else. They can be switched in any state of the software in power off, HV ready and HV on. The last one is identify the transformer specification and connection. S0 is the beginning of the secondary winding, S is the high voltage end of the secondary winding, and T is the end of the tertiary winding. The low voltage winding of the transformer consists of two winding groups, which could be connected either in series or in parallel. For cascade operation of the transformer with the kit FU, the two winding groups should be connected in series.